Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, in case you didn't know, and it's September, which means autumn has officially started in my book. I'm going to be kicking off my fall content with a transition to autumn makeup look that I am wearing here, and stick around if you'd like to see how I do it. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go straight in with concealer because I have not been wearing foundation lately, but you do you. I am using the Glossier Stretch Concealer in G11. And with that concealer, I'm just going to buff it in with a Real Techniques brush. I'm going to powder my under eye now to set that concealer. Going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette, I'm gonna take Burnt Orange and take really any sort of darker orange shade on a little tiny crease brush. Here I'm just starting on the outer corner and working my way in. Switching to a clean, fluffy blending brush, I am going to go in on the same shade and just buff it out a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with a brown liquid liner. This one is Whiskey by Haus Labs. Love you, Lady Gaga. And we're gonna do a little bit of a winged liner. So when I do liquid eyeliner, I make sure to not go past halfway. That's just because of my eye shape. You kind of do whatever works for you. But I think this looks the best on me, and I'll try and replicate it on the other eye, and we'll see how that goes. Does anyone else forget to blink when they're doing this? Just me? Don't know. I've gone in a very strange order, but next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I have this weird process of doing my brows where I just do a line at the bottom and then I use a spoolie and I fluff it up. It's time for my favorite part, blush. I'll be using Glossier Cloud Paint in the color Dusk. I love how simple liquid blush is. I feel like you can really get a good application just by slapping your face with your fingers, so. I wipe the excess on the bridge of my nose, just for a little added contour and warmth. I love faux freckles, so I'm gonna add some everywhere I put the blush, and I'm gonna be using Freck. Yikes. Ah. Okay, I think we saved it. I think I want the eye to be a little bit more intense, so I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the same burnt orange color at first. Then using a dark brown color from the same palette, this one's called Cypress Umber, I'm going to emphasize the outer lash line. Then I'm gonna go ahead and buff that out. Going in with the Peachy Bean palette, I am going to use the highlighter Golden Girl and add that to the high points on my face. I always bring my highlighter up to my brow bone and make a little C here. I just feel like it's very flattering. Tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. Then with my pinky finger, I'm just going to add it into the corner of my eyes to brighten them up a little. Now we can finally add mascara. I'm using Covergirl's Flourish by Lash Blast. That was really hard to say. When I'm doing mascara for this look, I sweep it to the side because I feel like it accentuates the wing even more. I add a little bit on my lower lash line, again sweeping outward. Little spiders, but I guess that's fall-like, isn't it? To bring the whole look together, we are going to add a lip. This is from NYX. It is the Shout Loud lipstick in Cactus Dreams. I don't worry about the edges being too perfect because then I take my ring finger and blend them out a little bit for a softer look. And there we go, my transition to autumn look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just feel like a little pumpkin in this look, so I'm in my happy place. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think you should subscribe if you want to see more fall content because I've got ideas aplenty and I'm so excited for this season. Join me, my autumn people. Okay, see ya.